And a bus driver faces multiple criminal charges in connection with a vehicular accident along Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City this morning. 7 persons were hurt in the accident. Alvin Baltazar reports.
7 passengers, including the driver of this jeepney, sustained injuries after it got rammed by a speeding bus of Corimba Express along Commonwealth Avenue at about past 8 this morning. Based on the testimony of some witnesses, the bus driver reportedly escaped after the incident and did not bother to look at the condition of the injured passengers and driver. Of the 7 passengers who got wounded, 2 are in serious condition.
Sobrang bilis po yung takbo nung bus. Kaya napanggaan niya na hagip niya yung jeep, kaya tumaog.
Nagwawalis kami. Tapos nakarinig po kami ng kalabog. Pagtingin po namin, yung bus, nandyan na sa naka-stop na. Tapos ito pong jeep, nakita namin, lumipad na. Tapos bumaligtad na. May mga tao pong nagtatakbuhan na lumalabas po. Tapos, on the spot po, tumakbo po kami kagad. Nakita po namin isang babae, nakabulag. Tapos duguan. Hindi, basta dire-diretso siya. Ang bilis niyang tumakbo.
The Quezon City Department of Further Public Safety or DPOS meanwhile were quick enough to react and were able to corner the escapee bus driver identified as Junbet Baron.
Nakita ko po yung bus gumitna, umakyat po sa ibabaw ng flyover. Kaya inabangan po namin na bababa ng flyover, saka namin pinatabi. Kasama po yung 3 pang kasama ko. Bakit iniwanan niya yung jeep na nabangga niya? Dapat ang una niyang ginawa, tinulungan niya yung mga nasugatan.
The accused driver insists that he did nothing wrong and he has no plans of running away from his obligation.
Wala akong balak tumakas. Kung tatakas ako, iniwan ko na ang bus ko ron bago pa ako umalis. Pero hindi, iniwan ko ang kasama ko ron, konduktor ko, inspektor ko, tsaka yung lisensya ko, iniwan ko na.
Injured driver and passengers were rushed to East Avenue Medical Center identified as Roland Velasco, Mary Jane Cruz, Annalyn Francisco, Angie May, Angie Espina, Ryan Francisco, and Mary Grace De Leon. Police authorities are now determining the possible charges against the bus driver. People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.